how to make your Instagram account private. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis, and today I will be showing you guys how to make your Instagram account private. So all you have to do, guys, is watch this entire video to the very end. Do everything I do in this video and you should be good to go. All right. But before I get into this video, let me just let you guys know that I will highly appreciate it that if this video helped you out at all, if you guys will leave a quick thumbs up, it will help my channel grow. The more my channel grow, the more I can provide more content for you guys. I'm on my way to reach 100K subscribers, so feel free to subscribe if you like. I will highly appreciate that as well. Now, how to make your Instagram account private. Let me get right into it, guys. The first thing you want to do is make sure you got the Instagram app downloaded onto your phone. As you can see, I'm on the iPhone 11 Pro. So make sure you download Instagram to your iPhone or your Android or whatever device you're on. All right. Once you have the app on your phone, you should see it here. What we're going to do is we're simply going to launch the app. So go ahead and tap on the Instagram app. And the first thing I want you guys to do is click on this profile picture on the bottom right corner of your page. That's if you're logged in, of course. If you're not logged in, just log into your account. But you click on the profile picture. And then to make your account private, you're simply going to go up here to the top right corner where you see these three bars. And you're just simply going to tap on it. Boom. All right. And from there, you should see this page show up. And it's all, it's all gray and stuff like that. What you're going to do next is hit this settings button on the top of the screen. And as you can see, it brings you to this page right here. And now, I don't know if you guys see it or not, but it's a tab there that says privacy. If you want to make your Instagram account private, this is the screen that you need to be on. You're going to go ahead and click on privacy. All right. And as you can see, looking here, you have this tab here that says account privacy. Right now it's on public. All you have to do to make your account private is click on it. And then you can turn it off or on. You can turn private account on or off. So, and read this here. It says, when your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. All right, so let's see what happens when I push this button. It asks you, it says business account can't be private. All right, it says if you want to make your account private, first switch back to a personal account. So if you guys have a business account, you have to switch it to a personal account in order for it to go private. Business accounts don't have the setting to go private. So make sure that you guys are using a personal account if you want to go private. All right. So now let me show you guys again how to make your account private. So let's say that you got Instagram downloaded. Again, guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you at all. I would highly appreciate that. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let's say you have Instagram downloaded on your phone. You're simply going to click on Instagram. You're going to click on this tab here, your profile picture. You're going to see these three dots, the three dots on the top of the screen right there. You click on it and you hit settings. And once you hit settings, you should see privacy. You click on privacy, and then there it is, guys. Account privacy. You click that, and this is where you go to make your account private. All right, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. Also, be sure to check the links in the description. I might have stuff in the description, so be sure to check that out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up one more time. And yeah, subscribe, if you haven't done so. I'm on the way to reaching 100K subscribers. So if you guys will subscribe right now, it would really help my channel grow, and I would highly appreciate that. So other than that, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon on the next video. All right. So have a good one.